We must hurry. It's almost time for the exam.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh no, that's dangerous. Are you okay, Mr. Squidward?
Huh?
Oh my God, you saved me! Thank you so much!
Oh, we're just glad you're okay. Oh no, the test! We missed the test!
Go, go, go!
Bruh.
Both of you were late for school and missed the test, so you both got an F. Take this and go home.
Hey!
Oh no, Mommy and Daddy is coming home. We have to hiding now.
Huh?
Baby Spong, where are you? Come out here right now.
Huh? Oh my God!
A few moments later.
Huh?
Hello! I'm here to thank baby SpongeBob and baby Sandy.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry, but what did they done to you?
This morning today, I was almost hit by a falling branch. Your son and his friend was pulled me to safety, but that brave action made them late for school.
I'm sorry, Baby Spong. I got angry before hearing what happened.
You both did something incredibly brave. We are very proud of you.
Huh?
Thank you very much!
Aha!
You're under arrest for acts of coral reef vandalism.
No, God, please, no! No!
Go!
I am not guilty. I did not damage the coral reef.
Nope. Huh?
Sandy came home to a messy house. This made her angry.
Huh.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Huh.
Mommy! Mommy! Daddy!
Upon seeing Sandy and her child's pitiful situation, Squidward wanted to invite them to stay at his house.
Your house has been swept away. Come stay at my place.
But his son didn't seem to like the idea.
Hey! Could you please not litter anymore?
Hey, what happened?
Squidward baby told a lie and falsely accused the two little ones.
No, no, no! Daddy! Daddy!
Huh.
Why are you falsely accusing my two children?
Help! Help!
Sandy awoke to find that it had all merely been a nightmare.
A few moments later.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry. I can't do anything else.
Yes!
The police officer was on patrol when he suddenly encountered an alien spaceship flying towards him. The police officer suddenly encountered someone who looked exactly like him. The police officer felt suspicious and chased after his imposter. It turns out it was an alien. He has the ability to transform into anyone.
Stop, stop, stop!
The alien fled to SpongeBob's house and the police officer pursued him there. The police suspected one of them was a disguised alien.
No, God, please, no!
The police brought everyone back to the station for inspection.
Go, go, go!
You all need to go through this scanner. If it detects an alien, the machine will sound an immediate alarm. Everyone is required to go through the scanner to check who the alien is. Next one! Next one! SpongeBob, Patrick, and Mr. Krabs went through the scanner without issue. Next one! But when Squidward's turn came, the machine suddenly detected an alien.
I'm not an alien.
The police believed Squidward was the alien, but they were probably mistaken. Turns out the alien had been impersonating a cockroach. The police realized that this cockroach had crawled into Squidward's shirt, causing the scanner to alarm. I'm sorry, I suspected you were aliens.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's come and admire the world's largest pearl with us.
The pearl is so beautiful, Daddy. I want to go see the pearl.
Okay, let's go. My son.
Oh my god! The pearl is gone.
Huh?
The pearl has been stolen, and you're the only one here. Please follow us to the police station to clear this up.
Hey, Daddy, wait for me, Daddy.
Finally, I stolen the world's largest pearl.
Everyone, I have something to show you.
Finally, I stolen the world's largest pearl.
Now we got it. Man Ray is the man who's stolen the pearl.
We are so sorry. That's all our mistaken.
What?
One morning under the sea, Squid Dad dropped Squid Baby off at Sponge's house for babysitting.
SpongeBob, please look after my son.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
The next test is coming. The person with the highest score will get a huge...
The three little friends got excited and hurried off to class. During the test, Sandy Baby and Sponge Baby focused on their work. Baby Squid looked at his two friends and came up with a bad idea. Baby Sandy and Baby Sponge had no idea what just happened. Sandy Baby and SpongeBob Baby were genuinely surprised by the test results. The three children returned home in different moods. SpongeBob kept his promise to the person with the highest score.
Baby Squid got the highest score. He will receive a reward from me.
Wow! Yay! Yay! Wow! No, no, no! Huh? Daddy!
Upon seeing Sandy Baby and SpongeBob Baby, Baby Squid felt regret for what he had done to them. He decided to tell the truth.
Actually, I'm not the one with the highest score. I swapped Sandy Baby and SpongeBob Baby's tests.
What?
Please stop!
Huh? Yes.
Please let it go for little Squid. He has already realized his mistake.
I am so sorry.
Yes!
When you show kindness, everyone can win the biggest prize.
Wow! Huh?
I have to go on a business trip for 2 days. Please be careful at home.
Yes!
Hello.
Oh my God!
Huh?
Go, go, go!
Baby Sandy happens to find a little worm and instantly falls in love with it. However, she has no idea that this tiny worm will bring a whirlwind of trouble into her life. What is about to unfold?
Wow, you're so cute. Did you're still hungry? Oh, you have a huge appetite. Hi, everyone.
Hi, baby Sandy.
You haven't been good. I'm not bringing you along next time. Sorry, you're too big to come.
Don't let it out. The worm seemed extremely angry. The worm spots Sandy and SpongeBob's garden. Driven by its non-stop hunger, it gobbles up the whole patch.
Oh my God!
Having stuffed its face, the worm grew to a massive size.
Hey, stop right now.
The worm is still holding a grudge against baby Sandy just because she wouldn't let it tag along.
Go, go, go!
Huh?
Driven by its non-stop hunger, the worm gobbled up a fiery hot chili plant. Its body backfired, making it shrink back down to its normal size.
Huh? Serves you right, you greedy guts.
Aha!
Yes, yes.
Fatherhood simulation device.
Yay! Yay!
Oh my God!
Huh? Wow! Oh no!
Huh?
Thank you very much!
Oh my God!
Help!
Come on! Come on!
Help! Help!
In front of the school gate, two fathers are waiting. The air feels tense. Baby Squid runs out first, proudly holding up his test paper. B+.
Wow! Hey!
Squidward's smile completely faded when he saw baby SpongeBob's grades were higher than
Next
his
time,
son's.
if you get
He
high
immediately
grades
set a
like him,
condition.
I'll reward you with a big cake.
Baby Squid looks around, then secretly pulls out his notes. He starts copying fast. Seeing baby SpongeBob working hard on the test and not wanting to be outscored, baby Octopus decided to play dirty.
Oh no!
Teacher, may I please have another test paper? Huh? Teacher, may I please have another test paper? Yes. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Oh no. Baby SpongeBob finishes the last line, sighs in relief, and turns in his test.
How was the test?
Some win with grades, some lose because of cake.
Huh? Daddy! Daddy! Help! Help!